How to use a Visa gift card on Temu. Now remember that we're talking about Visa gift card, not Temu's own gift card. So there is a difference between when you are redeeming a, let's say, general gift card versus that particular services gift card. So if it was a Temu gift card, you would add the products to your cart, and maybe whenever you're on the checkout page, you would find a separate option, right? You'd find a separate option to, I'll just select buy now right for now. You'd actually find a separate option to basically go ahead and then redeem that gift card. But if you're actually using a Visa gift card, then you have to add it as a normal card, so there is no separate section for gift card in this case. However, if you were using a Temu-specific gift card, then you'll find the option to apply gift card code or coupon code like that, then you'll be able to use them. But since it is a Visa gift card, you simply have to add it as a normal card over here. Simply enter the card number, tap on the submit order option, and the gift card, depending upon the value of it, it will get successfully applied. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.